Hello, everybody. Welcome to STEM Education Academy. Today, I'm going to explain how to use the TI-84, and basically, it's most of the series of this TI-80 in order to calculate basic statistics. So, I'm going to start with a blank screen. This is your starting point. And the first thing we have to do is to put the data into the calculator, to enter the data into the calculator. To do that, we have to click on Start. And then there are the tabs Edit, Calculate, and Test. So we're going to start with Edit. We're actually going to edit the first list. So it's either you press on the number 1, or since it's already highlighted number 1, you can press Enter. Now you see there are many lists here. We're going to use L1. It doesn't matter which one you're using, but you just need to know where is your data. So the default is going to be L1, and what I'm going to do, I'm just going to type in this list of numbers using Enter to move to the next number. So I'm just going to type in the numbers 27, 14, 31, 23, 46, 38, 54, 26, 44, 33, 17, 34, 6, and 37. And don't forget the last enter after you enter the last number. It might not stay there if you don't press enter. Okay, that's it. Our data is here, and even if we leave that screen, then to get out, by the way, to get out of the list screen, it's not enough to hit clear. Let me just get back there. Okay, you have to click on mode and then clear. Okay, it will bring you back to the main screen. So now, basically, we're almost done. The only thing that we have to do now is go back, click on Stat, and now we do want to calculate. So I'm going to use the arrow keys to move one to the right, calculate, and our goal in this case is to calculate one variable statistics. And again, it's already on 1, so I can either press 1 or enter. If you need another number, 5, for example, instead of going down with the arrows and hitting 5 and then enter, you can just hit 5, even if you are on a different number. So right now I'm going to hit 1. And it asks you which list do you want to calculate. The default is L1. If you have another one, you just need to type the other list. You press enter and another enter and another enter for calculate. And that's it. We're done. So let's just see what kind of information we're getting. So this is the mean, the arithmetic mean. This is the sum of all data that we have here. This is the sum of the squares. If you take all these, each one of these numbers and square it, and then you add them all the squares, you will get this number. This is the standard deviation of the sample, and this is the standard deviation of the population. Now, just in case you forget that, the best way to remember is just remember the phrase, the population of Greece. Now, you don't need to know what is the population of Greece. You just need to remember that when it's a Greek letter, okay, it's the standard deviation of the population. Okay, so that's this is the best way to remember which one is which. S for sample, and Greek letter, the population of Greece, and just remember that. Or if you can memorize the letters, it's also fine. N is the number of data items that we have here. Q1 is the first quarter. We didn't learn that in this course, but I'm just letting you know. This is the median, 33.5. And the reason you see a 0.5 when we don't have 0.5 here is the median in case of an even number of data. You take the two once it is sorted, you take the two numbers in the middle and you calculate their mean. So that's the reason we have 33.5. And this is the third quarter, but again, you don't need this for this course. We have the maximum number, that's the minimum number, by the way, I skipped that. So the minimum number is 6, the maximum number is 54. And that's it. Basically, it doesn't give you the range, but if you take maximum minus the minimum, 54 minus 6, 48, you have the range. If you don't know how to do it, or it's the numbers are decimals or too complicated, just you have the calculator in front of you. So just do maximum number minus minimum number, and you will get the range. So basically we're done, that's it. So we have all the information we need just by entering the data. Remember, the data does not disappear. It will be always there until you edit or delete it. So I will go back to the statistics. Remember, the default is edit, and I'm pressing enter. And if you want to delete this list, all you have to do is go up to L1 and press delete. Okay, you'll have to press enter. No, actually, you don't even have to press enter. So that's it. L1 is deleted. I don't know if there is an undo here on this calculator. You might research it, but don't take the risk. If you don't need to delete it, then do not delete. Now, notice that it deleted the whole L1, including the title, but you can just go and type in L1 and change the name of the list. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching, and if you like the video, please subscribe to the channel. Goodbye.